Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 7. I just want to warn you guys. I just found this on my counter upstairs. It is April Fool's Day, so watch out. Okay, first thing you got today. Math. Story problems. It's going to look similar to yesterday, so it's going to look like this. You're going to have 3 problems to solve. I want your equations and your solution. Use a strategy on that page. After you're done with that, you're going to go back to your IXL and you're going to continue to work on your recommended standards. All of those should be in your email. If you did not get the email from me, let me know. For reading, at 10 o'clock, we're going to have our book discussion on chapters 16, 17, and 18, so make sure you have those done and ready to discuss. And then today you're going to be finishing the book. You're going to read chapters 19 and 20. For writing, I noticed a lot of you have, some really good Story Jumper books started. You are more than welcome to do as many of these books as you would like. The site has allowed us to make as many books as we want from here until the end of the school year. So you guys can continue to create. I'm going to make a couple of templates for you. I want some informational books created also, so I will get those done hopefully today. Flip grids. I created a new flip grid for you for Mr. Popper's Penguin. Also, take a look at the previous flip grids, what you would do, or what I would do if I was stuck at home. There are some great creative flip grids on here. If you would like to see your child's flip grid, please let me know. Hopefully they already showed it to you, but if not, let me know. Okay. As always, when you're done working on the activities I have provided you, there are more things for you to do down here. There's math activities. So IXL, MathZord, Greg Tang Math. There are reading resources. I added Raz Kids. There was a tour of Mr. Popper's Penguins, and then all these other fun things. So virtual tours of theme parks, museums, zoos, webcams, drawing, art, and music. Okay? Have fun with your learning today and watch out. It is April Fool's Day. Have a great day.